Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn that how can we connect our Flutter app to Firebase. So let's get started. So two things that you have to do before connecting your app to Firebase is to install Java on your system and install Node.Js in your system. So to install these two things, you can visit their official sites, and to set up Java, firstly install it from the installer package. Okay. And then you need to right click on this Windows icon and go to system. Then go to advanced system settings, then go to environment variables, and what you have to do in the system variables, okay, this one in system variables, you have to go to path, and yeah, here is the path. Click on edit, and here you have to create a new path, and you have to paste it here. Okay, this one. Okay, when after installing the Java from the Java JDK package. Okay, when you install it, then you have to paste this path. Okay, I have installed Java 11, so I have pasted JDK 11. Okay, and the second thing what you have to do is you have to create a new path from here, new system variable from here. Okay, its name should be Java home. Okay, and in Java home you have to paste this path. Okay, not up to bin. Okay, up to Java 11. Okay, so if you install the current version of Java, then you suppose that if the current version is 20, then here 11 should be 20. Okay, and in the path, if you come here in path, here the path should be JDK 20 slash bin. Okay, so yeah, these two things you have to do after installing Java. Okay, and then you have to install Node.js also. Okay, after installing these two things, Java and Node.js, you have to go to Firebase. Okay, so search Firebase, click here, and go to console. Now you have to create a new project. So create a project, enter here your project name. So my project name is NCRT. Click on continue. Okay, and again click on continue. Now here you have to select an account. So by default, Firebase give us an account, Google Analytics account. So select it and create project. Now click on continue. So our interface of the project has came. Now we have to set up our Flutter project to this Firebase. So you have to click on this Flutter icon. Okay. So click here. Then what two things you have to do? Prepare your workspace. Okay. So firstly you have to install this Firebase CLI. Okay. So we will install it. So if you are a Windows user, then you should click on Windows. Okay, and here you can see that we have to install Node.js. That's why I was saying that you have to install Node.js. Okay, so simply you can click on Node.js and you can download it. So I'm going to skip these things of installation of Node.js. Okay, so after installing Node.js, what you have to do is you have to do this third step. Okay, continue to log in and test the CLI. So click on it. So here is the login setup for this. So in the terminal, you have to run this Firebase login. So I am going to run this command. So in your Flutter app, open the terminal. So here you can see that it's written already logged in. Okay, if you are already not logged in, then it will require the email and the password. So you can simply enter your email and password after running this Firebase login. Okay, so it is a simple step. You can do it by your own. So you can close this tab. Okay, so we have already created the Flutter project. Okay, so you can click on next. So now you have to copy this command and you have to run it in your terminal. Okay, so open your terminal, paste it here, click enter. Now again, you have to copy this code and you have to run it from your Flutter project directory. Open your terminal, paste it here. This is your Flutter project directory. Your project name will come over here. Okay, so click on enter. So here it is asking that which platform should your configuration support. So I want to make the Firebase app only for Android and web. So I will not select iOS, Mac OS and Windows. So use arrow key for up and down and use space bar for not selecting it. Okay. So yeah, now click on enter. So here we can see that we have generated Firebase options.dart file. Okay. Now click on next. So here the third step is initialize Firebase and add plugins. So firstly we have to install this Firebase core package. So search it, Firebase core Flutter, this one. Click on installing, copy this command and paste in your terminal. Click enter. Now you have to copy this code. So copy it, and before your run app line, you have to paste it. So this is await. So you have to write here async and import all the necessary things. Yeah. Now before this line, you have to enter one more line, that is widgets flutter binding dot ensure initialized. Okay. So after this, go to the Firebase, yeah, and click on continue to console. Refresh it once. Yeah, so after refreshing, you will get this interface. And here we have created the Android app and the web app, okay, on the Firebase. So now what you have to do, go to this setting and click on project settings. Scroll down. So we have to generate the SHA fingerprints. So go to the terminal. So click here. And firstly, you have to go to your Android folder. So write here cd Android, enter. Now you have to write dot slash gradle w space signing report. Click enter. So this SHA key will be generated if you have installed Java in your system. Otherwise, you will get error. Okay. So for generating SHA key, you need to install the Java. So yeah, we can see here that our SHA key got generated and it is a unique key. Okay, so you cannot use my SHA key. You should use your SHA key of your project. Okay, so the first one is SHA1 key. I will copy it and paste it here. So click on add fingerprint, paste it here, save. Now I will copy the second one, copy, add fingerprint, paste it here, click on save. Okay, so yeah, we have saved it. Now click on this Google service.json file. Okay, and you have to paste it. So copy it and you have to paste it in your Android app here. In the app, you have to paste it. So here you have already a Google service.json file. So delete it and paste it here in the app folder. Okay, this app folder, right click on the app folder and paste it here. And don't change the name. Click on OK. So we have successfully connected our Flutter app to the Firebase. So if you find this video helpful, do share this video and give a thumbs up to it. So see you in the next video.